Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Study with PowerPuffs. In the last session, we have learned the 5 rules of subject-verb agreement. Now I am going to start the rest rules of this topic. Now come to the next rule, that is rule 6. If a sentence starts with more than one, it will take with it singular subject and singular verb with it. The example being more than one room is vacant, where the sentence starts with more than one and take the subject as singular subject and verb with a singular verb. Next rule, if a sentence starts with one of the, it will take with it plural subject and singular verb. Example B, one of the students has given the right answers. Here, the sentence starts with one of them and the students be here the plural subject and has be the singular verb. We have to know that suppose there are many students and we have to take one of the one student among all of the student, so the verb be the singular verb as we consider one student, not all the students, one student among all the students, so the verb be the singular verb. Next rule, rule 8. If a sentence starts with these words, number of, variety of, great many or good many, but this word should be along with the. That means if a sentence starts with the number of students is increasing in our class, in this sentence the number of students, the number, here we use the before the word number, so that it consists of plural subject and singular verb with it. Now next rule, if a sentence start with a number of, here we have seen that the sentence start with the number of, but here we have seen the sentence start with a number of. If a sentence with a number of or a variety of, a great many or a good many, then it will take plural subject with it and plural verb with it. That means we should have cleared the confusion that what is the difference between a number of and the number of. A number of always takes plural subject and plural verb, but the number of always takes plural subject and singular verb with it. Now come to the next rule, that is rule 10. If a sentence starts with each, every, either, neither, everybody, anyone, something, it will take singular subject with it and singular verb with it. Just like each pen is red in color. Next rule 11. If two singular noun connected by preposition it is called the parallel structure. Just like day by day, letter after letter, page after page, speaker after speaker, country to country. These all the examples of parallel structure. This parallel structure always takes singular subject and singular verb with it. Just like page after page was read by me. Next rule 11. Pairing words. Pairing words, just example be bread and butter, rice and curry, honor and glory, slow and steady, milk and water, horse and carriage. These pairing words always take singular verb with it. Now, come to the next rule, rule 13. Look at the structure very carefully. Here what I have done. Singular noun 1 and singular noun 2. Both the noun connected by and there is only one article before the singular noun 1 in this structure, there is no article before the singular noun 2. That means the noun 1 and noun 2 denotes the same person, not the different persons. Take an example, the confusion will be cleared. The principal and secretary was there. Here, principal is the noun 1 and secretary is the noun 2, connected by and there is one article before the principal according to the structure, so that the principal and secretary denotes the same person in this sentence. Just like a poet and philosopher has came. Here, a poet and philosopher. A also used before poet and philosopher. The poet and philosopher, these words denotes the same person according to this rule, so that it becomes the singular subject and the verb with a singular verb, as the two nouns denotes the same person. Again, rule 14, here we can see that singular noun and singular noun 1 and singular noun 2 connected by and there are two articles before two nouns, so that the nouns denotes the two persons in this sentence, the principal and the secretary, not the one person. Here are the two persons, the principal and the secretary, so that it becomes the plural subject and takes the plural verb with it. Now comes to the next rule, rule 15. People, police, cattle, sheep, deer, peasantry, gentry, poultry, cavalry, men, women, children, majority, all these are used as plural subject and takes plural verb with it according to the sentence. The police are chasing the thieves, the majority are in the favor of new proposal. Now come to the next rule, that is rule 16. Scissors, trousers, pajamas, tongs, pants, spectacles, glasses, binoculars, etc. All of these are used as plural subject. Just like his spectacles have been framed, my scissors are not sharp. Exception, example, a pair of trousers. Trousers are always used as plural subject, but when a pair of this word is added before trousers, then the subject be the singular subject and verb be the singular verb. Next, come to the next rule, that is rule 17. In rule 17, there are some s ending nouns which seem plural but actually singular. The examples be measles, mum, shingles, billiards, balls, dots, dominoes, etc. The United States, the United Nations, Athens, Philippines, the East Indies, the West Indies, the Wales. Physics, economics, civics, statistics, mathematics, ethics, politics, etc. Exception, what is the exception? His mathematics are poor. Here, possessive adjectives like his is used in this sentence, so that the subject, according to this rule, considered as plural subject and it takes with it the plural verb. Thus, the total 17 rules of this topic is covered, and with these I am winding off my session. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel.